Creating a new options position. To create a new options position, start by entering the ticker symbol. If the ticker is entered correctly, the system will automatically fetch the current underlying price. For index options, a manual mapping is usually required. This is handled by the administrator. Next, click on the strategy selection icon. Strategies are predefined to ensure consistent reporting across the system. If you don't find a suitable strategy in the list, click Add New Strategy and create a new one. The administrator will review it, possibly add a description, and then make it available to all users. In the strategy list, you'll notice icons and labels on the right side. The C or P symbol indicates that the strategy uses only one option side, call or put, and the side will be filled in automatically. The same applies to the short or long label. If one of these indicators is missing, you'll need to manually select whether the position is a call or put, and whether it is long or short. If you're unsure about a strategy name, you can click the info icon to see a description of the strategy structure. You can also check our strategy catalog for a more detailed explanation. Next, enter the strike price. If needed, adjust the underlying price in case the system pre-filled value does not match the exact moment when the position was opened. Fill in the option side and position direction if they were not already set by the selected strategy, and continue by selecting the open date, expiration date, and the number of contracts. For equity options, the multiplier is pre-filled with a value of 100. If you are trading futures or commodity options, make sure to enter the correct multiplier. Pay close attention to the remaining fields. In the premium received and margin invested fields, you can either enter total values for all contracts or values per single contract. The system will automatically multiply per contract values by the number of contracts. This is especially useful for margin values, as many brokers display margin requirements per contract. You can switch between per contract and total values using the toggle above these fields. Premium values should always be entered already multiplied by the option multiplier. For example, if the option chain shows a premium of 1.50 for an equity option, enter 150. The goal is to input values the way we naturally think about them. If you know you received $150 in premium, simply enter 150. For long option positions, only the margin invested field is required. For the premium field, the system also provides a market-based hint showing an expected value. This is for reference only and serves as a quick sanity check. Based on the entered data, the system automatically calculates and pre-fills delta and implied volatility. You can manually adjust these values if needed. New positions are automatically created with the status set to open. If you wish, add a note to the position and click Add Trade. All entered values can be edited anytime later. Once a position is created, it cannot be deleted by users. This is how easily you can track your option positions in our system for further analysis and effective trade management. Happy trading!